Let's learn English. Myclass, Yourclass.
Today's lesson, the Labor Day around the world.
Labor Day is a public holiday celebrated in many countries around the world. In the United States, it is celebrated on the first Monday in September. It honors the contributions and achievements of workers and the labor movement. In the US, it also marks the unofficial end of summer and is often celebrated with picnics, parades, and other festivities. In other countries, Labor Day may be celebrated on different dates and with varying customs. For example, many countries, including most of Europe and parts of Asia, celebrate Labor Day on May 1st, also known as May Day. It originated as a day to commemorate the Haymarket Affair, a labor protest that took place in Chicago in 1886. May 1st is also recognized internationally as International Workers' Day, with demonstrations, marches, and rallies advocating for workers' rights and social justice. Similar to the US, Canada celebrates Labor Day on the first Monday in September. It's a day to honor workers and enjoy the last long weekend of summer. In Australia, Labor Day is celebrated on different dates depending on the state or territory. It's usually observed on the first Monday in October in the Australian Capital Territory, New South Wales, and South Australia, while other states celebrate it on different dates, often in May or March. Regardless of the date, the most important thing is to remember the importance of this date and respect all workers. We wish you a happy Labor Day.
Did you like this video? What about subscribing the channel?